and today is day 3 of the YouTube Advent Calendar series for 2020. Catchy. Hope the first couple of days of your Advent season have been going well. Today I am wearing a self-drafted top. This is in a sort of Liberty lawn-esque print, but I don't actually think it was Liberty, in this lovely sort of green peacock feather thing. This is a obviously sleeveless sort of wide set, which many of you will know I prefer on me, boat neck, French dart top, which I don't usually wear in December, but I'm indoors, so I can, and I'm having to wear it for approximately 4 minutes while I film this, so it doesn't really matter. So that's what I've made, and that is what I am wearing that is me made today. On to Christmas joke section, the favourite of all of you, I know. Today's joke, not technically Christmassy, got to be honest. We're moving into the jokes that you may find in a cracker sort of series as opposed to themed about Christmas. I know it's only day 3 and we've already departed from Christmas themed jokes. I just have to think of the others. Today's joke is sea themed because it is also Christmas under the oceans. How do you make an octopus laugh? By giving him tentacles. Sorry. It is a funny joke. Good. So on to today's Advent Calendar sewing hack or tip. Enjoy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
December the 3rd's tip is a hand sewing tip, one of my favourites. When you take thread off a reel to sew by hand, there is the end of the thread that is furthest away from the reel and then the end closest to the reel that you cut. If, when you thread your needle and you start sewing, you find that it tends to loop up and knot on itself a lot, one of the things you can try is reversing a twist in your thread. And you do that by unthreading your needle and then going to the end of the thread that was closest to the spool, the end that you cut, and threading that through the eye of your needle instead. This is because threads have either an S twist or a Z twist. So the threads in the skein are wound in a certain direction, and by reversing them, you can stop it from twisting.